Now, new EU rules have come into force aimed at encouraging consumers to repair rather than replace products. The right to repair regulations are designed to make it easier for people to access repair services when products develop faults.
Appliance repair engineer Jerry McGuigan is welcoming the new right to repair rules, particularly one of the regulations which requires manufacturers to make it easier for their products to be repaired.
There is a lot of wastage in this industry, so it would be great to have appliances that can be fixed. The problem we have with some of the manufacturers, they design them so they can't be fixed. Like, for example, in a washing machine, they would have a welded drum, so that's where you put your clothes into the tub. That's all one unit.
The new right to repair regulations apply to household and electronic products such as washing machines, vacuum cleaners, mobile phones and tablets. Under the rules, people have the right to request that manufacturers repair products that are technically repairable under EU law. The repairs must be done for free or at a reasonable price and within a reasonable time frame. Manufacturers must also provide easily accessible information about repair services as well as access to spare parts at a reasonable price.
If you have a washing machine, nothing wrong with it, just a little bit old, and there's wear and tear, a part goes in it. If you can't get that spare part, you're going to have to buy a new washing machine and you're going to have to throw out the washing machine. So this is really useful. It means that manufacturers have to have the spare parts, and it means the manufacturers have to provide the repairs.
These new regulations are designed to help consumers save money, but primarily designed to help the environment. According to the European Commission, the premature disposal of consumer goods generates 35 million tonnes of waste in the EU every year. But those working in the repair sector say the rules will need to be properly policed if they're going to be part of fixing the problem of unnecessary product disposal. Brian O'Donovan, RTE News.